Wow.
Thanks. Good afternoon, sir.
Onome, good afternoon. Can we talk?
Are they very busy? Wait. Wait till carry you come.
For you.
What is this?
Open it. It's a new phone. And it's for you.
I don't need that. Thank you.
Onome, come on, don't be stubborn. It's for you and you know you need it.
I don't need them. Esther don't already give me phone and I don't do welcome back. So
Onome, that's a lie. You need this phone for your business at least.
I get small phone. If I get money, I go buy Android. Thank you.
Okay, toss it. Discard it. Throw it away. Do whatever you want to do with it. It's up to you, alright? Meanwhile, we're meeting with the DPO tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. I'll come and pick you up. So get ready. Alright?
I will tell you for the last time, leave this blender.
And I will tell you for the very last time, I will not. What's the problem? You want the hand for this blender? I came here first.
You stink.
You stink too. Nonsense.
Hello.
Can you please the blender?
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Babe, can you please tell this thing to leave this blender?
Now your papa be thing. In fact, your full generation I be thing. Babe, can you hear that? Can you hear this food talk?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. What are you guys trying to do?
Making breakfast. Larry, please now! Larry!
Muffin, what's this?
No, shut up your mouth! You are the cause of all this nonsense!
Are you mad?
Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Are you mad?
It's your fault!
My fault?
Yes, it's your fault!
I did my
fault!
fault!
You caused the in there!
Shut the guy crying there! Nonsense!
Ashawo!
My job, oh! I carry her for shares.
Keep quiet, please!
I shut them!
But this is crazy! You can't send me out like this! You can't send me out like this!
Larry!
Muffin!
Larry!
It's fine. It's fine! You're the fool! It's your fault! Ashawo!
Can you imagine? Bro.
Breakfast my ass.
Breakfast in bed. These girls are something else. Like someone we picked from the club knows what we like to eat for breakfast. Unbelievable.
You see, this is the reason I like mature mind.
I'm telling you, bro.
Once they come, they do whatever they have to do and then leave.
Move.
Without causing any commotion. Not these ones, just one night stand and they think God has given them true love.
A husband. Next thing now, they will ask for our hand in marriage. Oh my God.
Goodness.
Oh my my
breakfast.
goodness.
They're looking forward to meet Kayamata.
Oh my God. I was awake through the night. Really? Because of that thing. This boy, I trust him, a bad guy. Man, I still have to catch up with a meeting today. And I haven't even gotten proper sleep yet. Oh man.
I'm just too lazy right now. I think I'll have to make a cup of coffee to stay awake. Else, I'll sleep till 1 p.m.
I will just grab some sleep, no matter how little. I need it. Make person not go to sleep for office.
Yeah.
I swear.
I'll just have to get a cup of coffee.
Breakfast in bed. Anywhere you see those girls, just avoid them. I've marked their face.
God
I can
will not
never,
God will not
ever
allow
have
us
anything to
to
do with those kind of girls again. Goodness.
Now I'm beginning to feel sleepy. But I have to get that coffee. I have a lot to do.
Oh my goodness. The internet. The internet will always be a crazy space. Never forget. What? What the hell? What is she doing here? Jesus Christ. What is she doing here? I told her never to come to my house without calling me. No. Lance has to come through for me now. Whoa, no, I can't do this.
I hope you enjoyed it. Are you sure?
Unknown caller.
Oh, who is this? No disturbance, please. Come here. I just want to be with you all day.
Sorry,
No disturb others.
you need to pick up your car. It's an important deal.
Oh.
Yeah, you need to pick it up.
Mofe, I hope this is important. Else, I am going to bounce on you so hard.
Yo, she's here. She is here.
Who?
Your girlfriend.
What girlfriend? Huh?
You have a girlfriend?
Hey, don't be ridiculous. I don't. Mofe, speak.
My girlfriend, dummy. She is here. I'm serious, bro. She's at the gate. She will be at the doorstep any moment from now. Bro, just tell her I'm not around, okay? In fact, tell her I'm dead, please. Guy, I know they. Just tell her anything you want to tell her, please. Please. Yeah.
Hey. Mofe, what are you talking about? Oh my goodness. Mofe, talk to me.
You have a girlfriend. You lied to me. How let me get myself here? You have a girlfriend. How could you lie to me? You liar.
Hey. Don't talk to me in that manner.
I hate you.
What? You?
Jesus Christ, unbelievable. Never ever happening. Never ever happening. What? Did I make a mistake? Huh? Stay. Aye. Jesus Christ.
What?
Ouch, Larry. Who killed your dog?
Why are you here?
Obviously not to see you.
Mofe is not around.
I am aware. I came to surprise him.
Oh, finally, she's here. A word of advice to you, darling. Run, while you still cry. He's a dog and can't be trusted.
Whatever the hell you did to your new pets, let's consign.
Hey. Samira. Samira. Are you alright?
Sorry, yes, I am. Do you mind joining me for breakfast?
No, I'm good.
But I made this specially for you. And hopefully for Mofe. I don't know why he didn't come back last night. Did you try to reach him?
Yeah, I tried calling him on the phone. Guess he was busy at work. Probably he should be on his way back home now.
Okay. I wouldn't be here when he returns.
Oh, you're leaving?
Yes, I've got work to do. I just wanted to spend the night with him, that's all. Please join me for breakfast.
Okay, I just finished exercising. I'll have to shower first, okay? All right, thank you.
Hey, Mofe, what's up? Why are you laughing? No, it's not funny, man. You know funny now? Yes. You knew Samira was coming to the house and you just ran away, left her all alone with me. That girl wahala too much, oh. I'm telling you. She even made breakfast this morning, forcing me to eat breakfast. Can you imagine? Well, when are you coming home? You have to make it snappy, please. Oh boy, come back house, Jare. I better come back. Me and you go get problem, oh. Eh? She just interrupted my phone yesterday with that girl. And now she interrupted the phone I was having with that girl yesterday. The girl even thought she was my girlfriend. Can you imagine? Please, just come back home, okay? All right. It's okay. I better come off from my phone. Mofe, I'm tired of you, honestly.
Give me my money. Give me my money! Madam, if I get the money, if I don't give you now, I will give you. Eh? I don't get them.
You say?
If I get them, I will give you.
You say wetin?
I don't get money.
You know since I don't find you? You know since when you don't avoid me because you owe me 7,000? My money?
Madam, I don't get.
You never ready. My money. Give me my money!
Madam, I will give you the money now.
Don't make me tear you slap. I go woz you.
Madam! Madam! I know most about this shirt. This shirt.
Oh!
Madam, I will pay you. I never get money now. I will pay you. I never get money.
Give me!
Madam, I will pay you. I never get money.
I go put hand there you don't like go. I go put hand there you don't go want me to put hand. Alright, give me.
Madam, you see moto. Madam, see moto. Don't push me inside moto. Madam, don't push me inside moto. Hey, madam! Madam! Madam, I will pay you now. I will pay you.
Where I go put hand, you don't go like her.
Madam, you just give me small time. I will pay you now.
Hey, hello. What's going on?
Oga, come my bed. She want disgrace me for ordinary 7,000. No, 7,000 I just need for 4,000. I never get the money. If I get the money, I will give her. She just drag me like this.
Ask him how many times I don't find that for my shop. Say he never come my shop since. Ask him who they owe person 7,000 if they run.
But this is not proper. Leave the young man alone. Leave his shirt.
You know here waiting I talk. If they owe me 7,000, he chop yam and beans till he chop 7,000 naira own.
It's all right, okay? Money is not a problem. Just let him be.
Okay, if I leave him, go run. I don't feel leave
He
him.
will not.
He go run.
Let him be.
This boy go run. I won't hold him.
Okay.
Now my shorty be this.
The money is 7,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
It's all right. Just leave his shirt. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll get you your money. What's all this?
See,
What's
Bele?
going on?
See, Bele of who they owe person.
Like
you chop yam. Chop 7,000 naira on for my shop.
Your food no gree digest. I make my belly come out.
Eh.
No gree digest.
Get luck.
Take, this is 10,000 naira.
You get luck.
Leave his shirt.
You get luck. You want chop free.
Hey, stop it.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
No.
No. What if they owe me na 7,000? No be 10. You get luck.
Thank you, sir.
It's
Your
okay,
God
Mama.
don't save you.
You can go.
See Bele of who they owe.
You can go.
See Bele of who they owe. You they owe 7,000, but see your Bele like big man Bele. Okay, thank you, sir. God bless you.
Person wey work dey chop oh. Where this girl go now? This one no me. How say they never kidnap? Because kidnappers dey now. This go waka. How say they never kidnap am oh? No be like say they don't kidnap am. Make I just dey chop this thing because person wey work, he go chop. Babe. Onome. No be you I dey call. Abi no be person I dey talk to. Onome, now where you go since now? You can't leave shop for me. Customers won't kill me for here.
No be that stupid boy. That stupid boy why I don't dey find since. Now I see him for junction, he won't run. Solo now.
Solo? You finally see him?
I see him for junction. As I see him, he won't run.
Wetin you can do? I don't say you know jam am. You know say whenever you dey vex, they be like say elephant dey vex. Everywhere you go just dey shake. Mele. I don't say you know jam am.
He get luck, babe. He get luck die. I say I no go release am till I see my money. How I go set up shop? They sell food. Person go come here, chop 7,000. Chop 7,000. He refuse to give me the money. Now I hold am. As I hold am, one fine brother come save am. The fine brother give me 10,000. Say make I hold am. I say no. Say wetin this boy they owe me na 7,000. Now I collect my 7,000. Give him 3,000 back.
He dey craze. Wait, Onome, I want to understand something. You mean say person dash you money, you go return balance for this economy? I no understand. You mean say you give back 3,000 naira for waiting now? See, you be mumu. You be mumu. I swear to God, you no get sense. See all this stuff where you talk, nothing dey your brain. Person give you 10,000 naira, you return balance for this economy where we dey like this. Person dey dash you money, you dey return balance. Now who train you? You no get sense. E be like say you no wan make money for this city where you come. No, you want dey sell beans and plantain all your life. As you find like this. I don tire for this girl. This girl no get sense. Now you be idiot. You know wetin they call mugu.
He don't do now, baby. Besides, why you dey chop my head? See how much thing you say?
I don't say 2 plates for here now. The fire too hot. I say make I sit down, they enjoy myself. They chop this one before I go die of hunger here.
Wait, you You say how many?
I don't say 2 plates.
You say 2 plates?
Uh-huh.
And you dey chop how many plates?
Now 1 plate I dey chop. But I no collect fish, I just take. I said 2 plates, I say make I chop 1 plate. Hello? Well, I no dey do this kind of thing now.
No try am.
I know wahala, make I dey go house, I don't try. I don't say finish. You say make I no chop na person wey work, you know dey chop.
Why you go chop?
Guy, I don't just get it. Seriously, why are girls like this? You know, you just have fun with them a few times and they term it relationship. Guy. Lance.
Oh, hey.
What's going on? Where are you lost to?
Were you saying something?
Like, what's happening? What's on your mind, bro?
Nothing much.
What's nothing much? I got talk, Joe. What's bothering you?
Just got my head twisted, that's all.
Got your head twisted on what? Does it have to do with work or a client or what's going on?
No, not at all. None of that.
Okay.
See, Mofe. I met this girl on the street.
A girl?
Yes. And I have been wondering how such a beautiful girl ended up in the street. Like, she is beautifully made. Oh, God, the great. I get too fine. More. What?
And
And what?
did you at least ask her name, collect her number, or drop her off to whatever it is she was going to? Since you met her on the street, right?
This girl in question is different from those other girls who pick from the street. This
Really?
one, she is reserved.
Interesting.
Oh boy. She's so innocent, gentle, and
This is serious, sir.
well,
This has got to be some girl. Talking about reserved. Reserved.
going upstairs.
See fruit, or chop fruit. I got fruit.
Don't worry. I want to go freshen up. I think I'll be hanging out tonight. I just need to go refresh my head out there. Okay?
Because of this girl you met.
So many things, okay? My head wants to explode right now. Well, I'll see you when I...
Interesting. This girl must be really something. She must be something. You know what I'm saying? What am I going to do with all of this now? Go. And I have it all. Go ahead. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I love to do. You already ruined my evening. What is it, Samira? Just go home.
Are you sure that you want me to go home? Huh?
Samira.
Come here.
Samira.
Give me a kiss.
God damn it.
Good morning, handsome. I hope last night was fun.
Good morning. Yes, last night was fine.
So tell me, am I bad? Better than the girl you brought in last night?
How would I know that? When you ruined everything.
Oh, I'm glad I did. What about tonight? Can we do dinner at my place? I'll fix things.
Tonight won't work for me. I'll be busy.
I won't ask you why. What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow would not work either.
What about next?
Samira.
Samira.
Samira, Samantha, whatever. It's not going to work. Okay? Please, I want to make my coffee before heading out. Would you want me to drop you off at home?
Sure, I'll be waiting.
All right. How many times have I told you, Samara, I don't do relationships and I don't like clingy girls?
Loving someone now means being clingy. I love you, Mofe. Can't you see it? I love you so much. And you even confessed to me that you love me.
I confessed to you that I love you while we were having sex. We were having sex. I say a lot of things when I'm high on ecstasy, okay? It doesn't mean that I mean it. How old are you? 12? Jesus.
Well, it meant a lot to me. It meant so true. I believed you.
Listen, Samara, I am sorry. Okay, I am sorry about, this whole misunderstanding. You see, if I had known you were this kind of girl, I swear I would never have had anything to do with you. I would never speak to you, take you to my house, left alone having sex with you. So please, I beg you, let's just pretend as if nothing ever happened between us and just go back to our lives as it was. Okay, please, I beg you.
So you regretting loving me?
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Samara, what is it with you and love? What is it with you and this love thing? You know what? Okay, fine. I do not love you. I have never loved you. I would never ever love you. Okay? So drop this whole love crap thing and let me drop you at your doorstep. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Pull the car over. I want to get down.
Don't be stupid. I'm not pulling over at the roadside. I'm taking you to your house. That's when I'll stop.
Mofe, pull the damn car over. I want to go down. You don't even know my house.
Then point me in the direction to your house.
Pull over, let me get down.
I am not stopping.
Mofe, I would create a scene that you would not like. Pull over, let me get down now.
Samara.
Mofe,
Samara, behave yourself.
are you doing that now or not?
Samara.
Pull over the car, let me get down.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
You fast about it.
Relax. Jesus. Can you hold on? Samara! 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 Samara!
Leave me alone.
Get back into the car.
I will not.
Get back into the
I
car.
will not.
Samara! Samara! What is wrong with you? Why are you creating this in public?
Oh, you don't want me to walk to my house, right?
Get back.
You don't want me to walk. I will kill myself and you carry me as a corpse to my house right now.
What are you talking about killing?
I will kill myself.
Samara,
leave me alone.
Behave.
Leave me alone.
Behave
Leave
yourself.
me alone. I will not.
You're in public.
I don't care. I do
me.
not care. Leave me alone.
Samara,
leave me
get to this car. Get to this car.
I will kill myself.
Samara, get to this car.
I will kill myself.
Samara,
leave me alone.
Move your hand from here, Samara. Samara.
My beans. My beans. My beans.
burn my beans. Una burn my beans. My beans.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Get your hands off him. Leave me alone.
No, madam.
Come on, get your hands off him.
Take your...
Get your hands off him now. Leave me alone.
Take your hands off me. What is the problem?
You burn my beans. You burn my beans.
Fine, I've heard you. How much is the beans?
12,000. 12,000. The money. In this economy.
That's 15,000.
In this economy, 9 person they pour beans.
I just gave you 15,000. Take your problem and leave. Thank you.
For 14,500.
Have you seen what you've cost? Have you seen what you've cost?
What have I cost?
I just spent money that I didn't plan to.
Because you want to spend
Una go dey main road, they add fee. Una go dey main road, they add fee. We only consider say people they waka pass.
My friend, will you get out?
They look road before that they do Telemundo.
Madam,
They look road.
would you shut up and get out of this place now?
Now they add fee for main road.
Get out!
They play law for main road.
Look at him.
I beg, give me nylon.
For what?
I put this thing, I beg.
I would not give you my
give me
bag.
that
I
bag.
would not.
I said give me that
I
bag.
would not.
Give me that bag. Give me that bag. Get into that car.
Thank you. Film people. Film people.
That's serious, bro.
Like for real, bro. Super serious. Like I am still trying to wrap my head around this whole thing. What would have happened if I wasn't there? She would have actually killed herself. For real.
But you broke her heart. What you gonna do about it?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe get her some help or something. I don't know.
Bro, you really need to do something about this. I think that girl is obsessed with you. Yes, she went to the restaurant looking for you there. If she had found you, who knows, embarrassed you or something in the presence of everyone. Do something about it, quickly.
Yeah, you're right. I need to do something, but what do I do? Huh? I don't know. Yo, what is it? Lance? Lanre?
Yeah, what's it?
What is it? You, what is it?
Nothing.
Don't tell me nothing. You've been glancing at your phone from time to time. Even while we were talking, you were just peeping on it. What's going on? Are you expecting someone or are you...
I said there's nothing much.
No, that's a lie. Look at me. Look at me.
What is it?
Oh. Look at the eyes, man. They never lie, you know. That's an eye of a predator. You're on a hunt, aren't you?
Yeah.
This guy.
Are you game?
Nah, I'm good.
Cool.
I'm taking a break for now, bro.
You're lost then.
Enjoy. What am I going to do? Samira, Samara, Samantha, Samaritan.
You found her? Good. Good job. I am coming to you right away. So you tell me everything you found out about her. Nice one. I owe you, of course. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Ah, yes. Good job. I knew he's the best for the job. Ah. Hi.
Well, good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Afternoon, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
And how is business?
Fine, I bless God.
Okay.
Welcome.
My friend told me your beans and plantain taste nice.
Okay, your friends have a better thing.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
I want beans and plantain. Do you have fish?
Yes, sir, I get.
Good. Just put everything for me.
You want me to put everything away? Okay, sir.
How
Everything
much
at
is it?
2,000.
2,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
Okay, sir.
And I like the pepper sauce.
I get them. There.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
I also want to know, do you do home delivery?
Yes, sir. I did them.
It's all right. I would like to have your phone number.
Okay, sir.
Good. From time to time, I'll call you so you bring some to the house.
Wow. Okay, this is your phone. If I know. And my number be this.
Okay. Please remind me your name.
Onome.
Onome.
Onome. Happy business. Happy customer.
Cool slogan. I like that.
Thank you.
And you've got a beautiful name.
Thanks, sir.
You're beautiful as well.
So make I put the
Okay.
plantain.
I've been on this system for quite some time now. Okay. Why is she not picking up? Yeah, hello. Hello, can you hear me? Yes. Am I onto Onome?
Okay, which one be onto?
My name is Lanley. I collected your number a few days ago.
Yes. No, Onome. Happy business. Happy customer.
Actually, I want you to get me beans and plantain. Bring it to my house.
Yes. We fit do am, sir. We fit deliver.
Okay, no problem. I'll send the address to you, okay?
Cash dey okay, sir.
I have cash. I will give you cash. But please make it snappy, eh? Yes. Okay. Bye. Thank God. She picked.
Onome, now where you dey go?
Now, one of this my good customer, he say make I come do home delivery for him. I beg. Yeah?
So now who go wait. Now who go there your shop?
My sister, you dey here now. You dey here, you go stay, make I just rush go.
I no understand. Which one beside dey here? So anytime when you see me for your shop, you go just stop me to being seller. E be like say something they do you. You dey whine me, I been waiting. No, look me. No, just look me. As I dress like this, you say make I come dey sell. Abeg stop am o, if na joke, stop am o.
Why
If
you
not,
dey
I go
talk
enter
like
you.
this now? Why you dey talk like this? Eh? The place. Wait, you don't send the address. Ah, you no far now. See where your house dey, abeg. Now for that junction, I dey come here. You know say I never sell today. And if I leave this business, e go sour, abeg. Yeah?
I know they like this kind thing.
Abeg,
You just
no
wan
vex.
use village sense for
No
me.
vex, abeg.
Me wey be city girl, they use village
Abeg,
sense for me.
I go hurry, abeg, no vex.
Na wetin dey bring
Yeah?
that kind leg?
Yeah. I will be right there. Irresistible. It's you. Yeah, it's me. Yo, what's with the face, bro? Why did you lock the door? You expecting someone else?
Aren't you supposed to be at work?
Yeah. I came to pick up a few things and I'll be heading back to work ASAP. You good?
Well, you said you'll be busy till night.
That's what I'm saying. I came to pick up a few things and I'll be heading back to work. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm alright, just trying to fix this. It's okay.
Oh, let me get that. Yeah.
Good afternoon. You get person wey order food?
Yeah, you are. Let me have it.
Okay, sir. This place is far. It's really far.
Yes, the address can be a little bit confusing. Well, sorry about the inconveniences. Yeah.
Thank you.
Money? Okay. I have this don't worry, for your troubles.
Sir, my money na 2,000. Make I collect am. Thanks, sir.
No. Take it.
You want make I collect all
Yes, take it. Just take it. All right?
But this thing...
It's all right. I understand.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, they buy all the time. Oh.
Sure.
Thanks, sir. Okay. I go. Nobody did my shop. Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, sir.
All right. I'll see you some other time, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. It smells nice. Excuse, bro.
Hell, bro. Really? That's your prey?
Excuse me?
No, you heard what I said. You're gunning for that girl, aren't you?
Well, tell me, isn't she beautiful? Just take a good look at that girl. Forget about what she's wearing or how she speaks. You see, I've made up my mind to spend on that girl and then watch her blossom.
Oh, watch her blossom. And then what? You leap and walk, right?
Don't even go down that road. Look at you. You that use and discard girls anyhow you like. What are you trying to do? Advise me or what?
I am not denying that fact. But the girls I deal with are not innocent. She's an innocent girl, bro. She has no idea of the life you are about to introduce her to. You're just gonna leave her heartbroken.
Oh, come on, bro. Weren't you the one that mesmerized someone's daughter's heart? That she almost took her own life? Listen, bro. Do your thing. Let me do my thing, okay? Do not cross my path. Well, This food already made my day. This is your money.
All this for me?
Yes.
Sir, my money na 2,000.
It's okay. Keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. For other customers be like you. For good though. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Don't mention. I've been thinking. One of these days, maybe you'll come inside, we'll sit and talk.
No, sir. You know, they possible. You know, they possible.
Hey,
you know, say my business now one man squad. So if I deliver now, I guys go shop.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
You're business-minded. But remember, all work and no play make Jack a door boy and also makes BC a door girl. Yeah. So, just have it in mind, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay?
Ma, they go shop.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay. Oga, you won't jam me? You don't see say I dey waka comot.
Are you blind? Of all places to pass, you chose to pass in front of my car. Why didn't you pass here?
So if I won't come out from your gate, I go waka like this, come for back. Eh? You know since I want cross, you just dey drive with speed.
Be very careful. Be very careful. You're here to deliver food again, right? Right?
Yes. I bring food call for your friend.
I hope it's just food you're delivering. Because the way I'm looking at this, your eye. Hope it's just food you're delivering, nothing else. Hope you're keeping it professional.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Na condition put me for this place. If not, you would ask me that kind of question.
You're sharpening your mouth now. Be very careful with my friend. Be careful with my friend. The way you're sharpening your mouth, he will just eat you. He's not good for you. I'm telling you now. You're sharpening your mouth anyhow. I'm just trying to warn you.
Onome, see you need to put body for that guy. That guy likes you. As in they put body for you. You too, you go put body for him. Make you know they behave like small pikin.
Babe, I beg. May we talk about other important things, I beg.
I don't understand. Now waiting you dey cap like this. So this thing now why I dey yarn you now, no dey important. No, now waiting con dey important. I dey ask you. So this thing, why is it that every time why they try bring you up, they try bring yourself down? You no wan become city girl, no wan shine your eye. Okay, make I ask you one important question. How many people dey chop beans and plantain every day? Tell me. You think e dey easy to dey chop beans and plantain every day? E no dey easy now. But that guy dey chop beans and plantain every day. If you chop beans and plantain every day, na so water you go dey drink, your belle go just burst. Preach. But if they do am because say he like you. You too, you got to show concern. I like am too now. Wetin you dey cap sef?
Babe, you even sabi the guy wey they talk about. You sabi am? You don't know him now. The guy fresh. The guy fine. He yellow. He get money. Wetin you wan see for my body? Wetin dey? I beg. No dey.
You see who do you this thing, e no go better for that person. Wetin you dey tell me? You no know say one man food na another man poison. Yes, every woman wey dey this life get their own package. Yes now. E get man wey go dey treat for you. If you like, make you dey crippled. If you like, make your hand dey like this, or your belle big, or your mouth curve like this. My dear, e get guy wey go dey die for your matter. Yes, now true talk I dey tell you like this. Everybody get person wey dey for them. If you find your own person, you go see say everything go smooth.
I don't hear.
Let me say you don't hear. See, if na now me catch that yellow pawpaw. I for lick am. If I lick am, you no go even see am. You dey hear they do. I for licky am. You go dey say wetin dey stop for here. You dey hear those days. No dey do yourself. You see, no dey do yourself. You no go say beans and plantain all your life.
I don't hear. Thank you so much. But you're not supposed to follow me, they go deliver food. I mean, you're supposed to go your work before they sack you.
Come on, man. I am a boss of my own. Yes, I work for myself.
Okay.
Besides, I am also a photographer.
You be photographer?
Mm-hmm.
People where they snap picture?
Mm-hmm.
How you take by all this big car?
I know that's the next question. How did I manage to own all these luxurious things, you know? Well, I have studios in different cities. I've got people working for me, and I am also into real estate. So I'm a businessman in general.
Nice.
Don't be scared, I'm not a ritualist.
I don't talk that one. Thank you.
Yeah, so I have been thinking, what about coming over? Let me take you some good pictures for your upcoming birthday.
No. I don't get anything I could wear a snap picture.
Oh, that's not a problem. I've got nice clothes in my closet, you know. Some of my female clients, sometimes they run out of costumes. I usually buy, you know, good clothes. So when you come, you select from my closet, you know. I've got this other robe in my house where I have these costumes. Okay?
Thank you.
It's alright, you're welcome. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This food sweet die. Okay, you dey cook oh. You sabi cook well. I throw away hand for you.
Wait until you eat my friend's food.
You mean am? You mean say your friend cook pass this one while they chop like this?
He's a chief chef. As a matter of fact, he owns one of the best restaurants in town.
You dey whine me, abi you dey serious?
I'm dead serious.
Onome, wetin you dey wait for now? See, you go stop that beans. No dey do me like this. You go stop this beans business wey you dey do. Come, make dem employ you. See, when you see opportunity, you grab am. No dey do like this. I no dey like that kind of thing. No eye me. Eh? See. What is it? Stop now, you stop. I throw away hand for you. You sabi cook, abeg.
Oh, no, your friend is so funny.
Very funny.
But na try dey talk. But na try dey talk now. No be try dey talk.
Oh, please, just eat your food. I don't want to get choked, okay?
Food makes sense, well.
Hey, bro. Here you are, bro. Talk of the devil.
What's good?
Yeah, be cool.
It seems you have...
Yeah, I'll meet my personal clients. Her birthday is in 3 days' time. I took her some pictures and then we decided to cool off by having dinner.
Alright, okay.
You care?
No, I'm good. I'm just tired. I need to rest. I'll be upstairs.
Okay, bro. All right. If you need more, tell me. I'll get you more, okay? Chicken, right? Whatever.
Now your friend be this.
Yeah, that was my friend.
The one wey sabi cook well.
My friend.
Onome, you know see the guy? Omo, the guy gather. You don't see him chest? Him chest gather. See, if you lie down like this, the woman go just put head. Now tomorrow you go get yourself, oh. Your friend dey like Black America. Come find where we come tall. Hey, Bobo tall well. Now this kind thing I dey like. Now this kind food I dey chop. Make I go grab am. I go grab am, oh. I know they like waste opportunity when I see one.
Hey, come on. Eat your food, okay? There's pepper in the stew.
You know, consign me. You know what's in my eyes see now? My body don't full. When you see am, why you do like this? If you see better thing, you appreciate them now. You don't wait for that, come fine. You get that? So you can't get as the thing come get. So what's in between? Hey bros, thank you so much. We enjoy where today. You dey cook.
It's okay. You don't mention.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. I was actually editing some of the pictures. I'm almost done.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
It's all right. I got you this as birthday gift.
Me?
Yes. Please accept it.
All the thing we did inside here.
It belongs to you.
Make I see this one. This one fine.
Hope you like it.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you,
you,
baby. Thank you. You be better person.
But I no fit accept this, sir.
No mind now. Now what's lance with that? I know fit accept. That's so we dey talk. You be mumu. You go accept them. Who gets it? She don't accept them. But you say thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Come. Stand up. Now so then they do. When person give you gift, you hug am. Now so. Thank you, well. This one. Thank you. You be better person. Thank you.
Yeah, man. This is for you.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, and cheers. Come on.
Cheers to what? This guy.
Now, that is how to play the game. So, I am going to get in between her legs. Yes. I will show my usual skills as the world greatest. See Ronaldo. Just wait and see.
Soon enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I invited she and her friends on her birthday to your restaurant. You see, that is where I have made the whole necessary arrangement to make it happen. Yeah. I am going to show her what I am capable of. Leg over to the right, leg over to the left, and then pew, into the post. As the world greatest, aka GOAT. What do you have to say?
Lance. Listen, man, I don't have any problem with you doing whatever you want to do with your life.
But
I won't just let you do that to this girl. I just can't, bro.
you don't have the right to judge me.
I am not judging you, okay? I'm just saying it's okay for you to mess around with the street girls we pick up from the club. They understand what they are getting themselves into. Yeah, but not this one. This one is naive and innocent. She doesn't even have an idea of what this world is all about. You know? You just can't.
For the record, no one is going to stop me. You know me. Once I make up my mind to do something, I go for it straight away. Do you understand? I have made up my mind to enter that girl, and I must enter the place. That is that. But just in case anyone wants to get on my way, I am going to push that person so hard, just the way bulldozer does its thing. Okay? Remember, I am still the Don Dada.
All this one now because of woman. You don't turn bulldozer. Don Dada. Because of woman.
You call it woman. I call it a goal. An objective that must be actualized. Let me get us something to chew, my brother. Let me get us something to chew.
Okay, sir. So you get jet work? Yes. Oh yeah, now no wahala. Okay, oh yeah.
Now wetin him talk?
You say you don't cancel am.
You don't cancel wetin?
You say you don't cancel the plan. No?
This one na wrong target. Eh? E be like say your village people come this work.
Yes, I define one.
Which kind thing be this now? Onome, you sure say this thing no be your handwork?
You know they here when he call me. How it be my handwork?
I don't trust you because you sabi spoil person plan. See as I don't prepare myself. Position my mouth where I go use go balance for rich man restaurant. Go chop better food. You know those CC, all those their simmer, all those things. I don't ready the way I go take chopper. Now they tell me say in the travel go where? I bet make you they come back no they go anywhere.
You no get when I even put my mind for the waka safe.
I talk am.
No, we get plans. Me and you get plans before you talk say one carry us come out, abi?
I bet forget local people plans. Local people plans no be plans. Better plan I they talk about it. They tell me say we get plan. Which plan me and you get? No be to they say this a plantain. No, which other plan we get?
Now my birthday, now you can't take am serious.
I bet forget that thing. This thing does dey vex me. Okay, this clothes now why I buy now? Where I go wear and go?
We go come out now.
Come out to where?
Madam, I beg give me pure water.
Sorry sir, they come. I beg no vex.
You go one oh.
Oh.
What's your standard?
Oga, where you see light? Where you see light? Oh, we don't get light. Oh.
You buy the rock oh.
Also,
Good evening, sir.
I would like this about it.
Good evening, sir.
I got this bag. What's the hour?
Thank you, sir.
Where they go?
Stay there.
Say Jones.
This guy use me to play. Oh.
What they Zuzu?
That's no there now. Come on, see this.
Just say that between you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for it.
Do you wine?
Say Jones.
Really phone there. Put this out here. After this get the entire high.
I swear go far.
Sir,
You can enter my baby.
I know, sweet, sir. I know.
No offer. Stop. You don't play.
Yo, what's going on here?
And who be this
I
one?
don't understand. Who goes?
Okay, I'm face off on the go where they go. So this can't talk with that one.
Let her go, please. She has nothing to do with it.
On for no later go encore.
No, on to say what now.
They wine.
I find enter this guy.
Oh guy, they go, Joe.
Let her go.
They wine.
Wait, this guy. You're mad. You know who you follow to something. Come here. Where are they? Chris. Let's go. Go. I'm fine. Get it. Are you okay? I'm fine. Get it. Yes, DPO. I'd appreciate that. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm okay. Yeah, she's fine too. Okay. I'll be expecting to hear from you. Okay, thank you. Bye. Just direct me to your house, okay? I'll drop you.
I'm not
Hey. It's okay. You're fine, okay? They didn't do anything to you. They didn't hurt you. They didn't touch you. Right? You're fine. Okay? Just point me in the direction to your house and I'll drop you off. Be calm.
So my house key dey inside my bag, my phone, my money, everything dey inside my bag wey dey carry.
Oh. What about your family members?
I no get. I dey stay with my friend and she no dey around. Where we dey go?
I'm taking you to my house. Sit down. Do you want something to drink? Water? Hey. Listen, I know you're still in shock from what just happened. And I know my friend is not around. But trust me, you have nothing to worry about. Okay? First thing tomorrow morning, we'll be heading to the station, meet with the DPO, and drop a statement. Alright? Good. Now do I get you water to drink? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you should call your friend so she doesn't feel you've been kidnapped or something.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'll be upstairs in my room, so when you're done, just bring it upstairs.
Okay, sir.
I'm good. God damn it. Come in. Come in. Yeah, I'm here in the toilet. Yeah.
Ross, wetin do you for head?
It's nothing, I'm fine.
This is big.
Hey, I said I'm fine.
Sorry.
It's not that serious, okay? I can take care of myself.
Make I see.
It's fine. I'm okay. Are you done with the call?
Now why I say make I bring your phone come?
Okay. Thank you.
I go there for Palo. Sorry.
Hey. I have run your bath. You should shower and change your clothes.
Boss, I'm not carrying clothes, come.
Right. Then you have to make do with what I have. Hmm?
Onome. Onome. Onome.
Bros, morning.
Why are you in my first shirt? I'm talking to you.
Hey, bro. What's good? You back? How's the trip?
You bastard.
What?
What?
Bro,
Did you do?
Calm down.
What have you done?
Calm down. Relax, Lance. Let me explain.
What have you done?
It's not what you think. It's not
It's
what you
not.
think. It's not. Relax.
Get your hands off me.
Okay, what did they happen? What did happen?
Lance.
You slept with her.
What? No! What are you talking about?
You slept with her?
No, I did not, bro.
I picked you up from the gutters.
Lance.
I cleaned you up. I thought you are innocent, but you are nothing close to being innocent. Oh, I should have known. You cheap slut.
Lance.
Yes! Hold on there, you dey crazy. You dey mad. I be like, who else so? You dey mad. First of all, you no pick me from any gutter. Now for front of my shop where you take see me. Secondly, you no get anybody who I sleep with. I beg.
You shut the hell up. Shut up!
Lance.
I thought you were innocent. I never knew you are nothing close to being innocent. You are nothing but a cheap slut.
Lance.
That's what you
Lance, don't talk to her like that. Come on.
And if I do, what will you do?
Onome! Onome, how you doing now? Waiting this up now. You call me for phone, you can't dey sound like Omomo, you be Omomo.
You cheap slut.
Now waiting this up.
You're cheap.
Who be this one? Who they cap for here? You dey mad? No, you know they look face. Something they worry you for head. No, you want make I enter, you make I walk you.
Will you shut
See,
up?
if I jam you
shut
head,
up.
you no go like yourself.
This is my house. I can talk to her anyhow I want.
Look at this Abito shit.
She is cheap. Your friend is cheap.
Lance, come on, bro. Don't talk to her like that.
Leave her alone.
If I jam you, you no go like yourself. This your eye when they red now, you go they blink like pink.
Lance, relax.
Leave her.
Relax. This is not what you think, okay? It's not what you think. Can you just calm down? Calm down. Lance.
See who say big person from gutter. Na me or Nome they say they carry me from gutter. Me or Nome? Na me you carry from gutter, bros. You dey crazy.
Wait, now waiting.
How much beef you don't buy and how much plantain you don't buy?
Now
you say
waiting
from gutter. Now
waiting
waiting you
from gutter.
You pick me from gutter.
For allow me make I enter am, make I jam am.
Listen, I'm really sorry about what happened. Okay? I'm sorry. I'll just go inside and freshen up, so we'll go to the station and make the statement. Alright? Just calm down.
Onome, now waiting they stop for here now. Now waiting they stop now. Why they hold me like this? They hold me. Waiting happen. Why they tell make I no talk? For allow me make I enter am. I dey fear am. Omo, this police station really stress person, I swear. I'm tired. Onome. I won't ask you, make you tell me the truth. You knack am.
Why? Why I go do like that? Why? Why I go knock am? I know I'm from anywhere.
Calm down now. Onome, calm down. We know they shout. You and who they fight for here. Now only me and you they here. Just they ask you simple question. Whether you knack am. Make I know why they talk to you like that. I don't like am.
Are they stranded? Are they stranded? Now you give me place to stay. You don't get what happened between me and that brother. You don't get.
You don't do, I beg. No shout. No shout, I beg. You don't do. As you talk, say you know knack am, no problem. I know why this guy they behave like this. Now because say he like you. You know say if man like woman like this, now so jealous you go
So
do.
because he like me, now why they call me local? They call me cheap. They call me slut. Because I know a big girl.
No talk like that. No talk like that. Now you dey think am like this. Him, now love they do am. Jealousy. Love comes with jealousy and everything. Now jealousy. So no vex. If you like, make it. No reason and like
You
that.
don't show me say you no be better person. If you ask me, I go tell you say that guy get wetin he get for mind. Make they do all these Google things give me. But you see this place where he get for mind. You no fit enter. You no fit.
Do the reason like that, Onomi. I know say you dey vex.
Morning, bro. Breakfast is ready. Lance, we need to talk.
What is it? What are you doing here?
I dey find you.
What happened?
I say make I come return this thing give you.
Why? Why? What's the problem?
You feel say I be mumu? So for your mind now, you look me finish. You feel say I be fool. I be think say you be better person. I be think say you be person where church reach in mind. I don't know say you won't chop me. You won't chop me, not chop you. Make I tell you, you no fit chop me for this life. You no fit chop me for this life. Now native a day, I know they stupid.
Hey.
Okay, sir. The remaining 500 for container. Thanks. Good afternoon, sir.
Onome, good afternoon. Can we talk?
Are they very busy? Wait till carry you come.
For you.
What is this?
Open it. It's a new phone. And it's for you.
I don't need that. Thank you.
Oh no, man. Come on, don't be stubborn. It's for you and you know you need it.
I don't need them. Esther don't already give me phone and I don't do welcome pack. So
Oh no, man, that's a lie. You need this phone for your business at least.
I get small phone. If I get money, I go buy Android. Thank you.
Okay, toss it. Discard it. Throw it away. Do whatever you want to do with it. It's up to you, alright? Meanwhile, we're meeting with the DPO tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. I'll come and pick you up. So get ready. Alright?
You mean her?
I don't want them, I beg. Make you come carry.
You know one waiting. Person buy you phone, you say you no want. You want return her. Okay, leave am. I go take am.
I say, I beg. I won't return now.
You want return waiting.
I won't give and who give me back, I beg.
You won't give am who give you back. Now your village people swear for you. Now waiting they work you. Oh no, why you they behave like this? Why you they do bolo like say you be omomo? You no be omomo. Oh. See, you got to use your head. Person tear rubber Samsung. You don't know how much Samsung they cost? No, you know how much in they sell them. Waiting they work you now. Only the screen alone, you know how much it be. Person can't tear you better brand new Samsung. Wetin dey do you?
Babe, this phone big pass me first. Secondly, I don't want collect anything from anybody, I beg.
They limit yourself. No, they look yourself less. Now so you they look yourself less. Now so God go they position you. No, they look yourself less. So wetin they work you? No, they do like this. So I don't like am. I beg back up, make who they go. I don't take the phone beside I don't take am. Leave am.
No, you no go carry the phone like that.
Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, come carry me now. I don't carry am. Make who they go abeg. Come back up. Come. Make who they go now. Come back. Let's go.
You've got some nerves. Do you want to see how mad I can get?
Larry, it's been a long day, okay? I am tired and I need to rest. I don't have the energy for this, please.
Who your rest here? Huh? I am talking of something important and you're here talking about going upstairs to rest. You damn mad. What's wrong with you? Listen. You don't want to see the other side of me. You won't like it.
Larry, what's your problem? What's wrong with you? What are you even talking about? What in God's name are you talking about right now?
I saw you and Onome. How dare you, Mofe?
Okay, so what if you saw Onome and I? It's not like you care about her. All you care about is getting into her pants, that's all.
You want to be her knight in shining armor. Do you think you can protect her from me?
Larry, what's your problem? What's your problem? Why are you hell-bent on hurting this girl? She did nothing to you. And she is not like our regular kind of girls that understand what we're into. This girl is different. She is innocent.
Go on, preacher. Do you have feelings for this girl?
Jesus Christ.
Wait. Just one round. And here you are, preaching. Like Mr. Romeo.
I did not sleep with her. I did not touch her. She got robbed, Lance. That's why I brought her here. Why do you think everything has to end in bed all the time?
What are you talking about? Is it just moral conscience or...
You heard me right. She got robbed. She was on her way home and two guys pulled up on her. It would have gotten worse if I didn't come to save her. Didn't you see the back of my head that day? It happened from the attack. They took her phone, her money, her house key, everything she was with. They took all of it. And her sister wasn't around, so she had nowhere to go. I was the only one there, so I had to help her. I brought her here and that was it. Nothing else happened.
Why didn't you tell me?
You didn't ask, Lance. And you didn't care, because I tried to explain things to you the day you got back, but you didn't even care to listen to me. All you care about was your momentary desires for her. Listen, Lance, I don't have anything against you. I'm not trying to come in between you and your personal hobby. I'm not saying I'm a saint either. But I won't just stand and watch you hurt an innocent girl. No, I won't do that.
I don't think I'm finished. I don't fit keep this phone.
Why? Onome, come on. Is it because of your pride?
Exactly. And because of my pride. I no get money, but at least I get my dignity, I get my pride. The one where they even pay me pass, be say, you just relax, calm down. They watch your friend, turn me to mumu. Use me, they do you don't talk anything. You don't even give me signal, say something like this once up.
Onome, listen, I am sorry, okay? I tried to tell you. I tried to explain things to you, but...
You will not like me. You will, if I come on a house, you will do like say, I carry shit for body.
What?
Hey, you tell me say you don't like me and I say you hate me. Don't wait to tell me.
What? No, I don't hate you. What? When did I say it? I never said anything like that. Okay. The thing is that you left a bad impression on me the first day we met. That's just it. I don't hate you.
How I take leave bad impression? No be beans I can't deliver that day. I no greet you. I greet you now. Waka pass.
Okay. That wasn't the first day we met. Let's just say you acted like a nonchalant, heartless person when you saw what was going on between my friend and I. She almost killed herself. And yet all you were worried about was your money.
I don't even know any of.
You called us Romeo and Juliet, like we were putting up some acts. She actually wanted to kill herself.
I remember. No be film una dey act that day. No be film. Hey! I remember.
Oh no, man. Listen, that wasn't a movie, okay? And yes, she literally tried to kill herself. Why she tried to kill herself, I would explain for you to understand. But for me to do that, I feel like it shouldn't be here. You know, why don't we go out to a nice place, eat, drink, so I can explain further?
Now explain and say make you explain. I don't say make you carry me come out.
I know, okay? That's what I want to do. I feel like I owe you an apology. I owe you a detailed detailed explanation. All right, so we can go somewhere nice. It could be my restaurant. But if you don't want my restaurant, that's fine. Wherever you like, any place of your choice, that's okay by me. Let's just go hang out and talk. All right.
No wahala. Tony,
All right.
I will still
You're
come.
keeping that, please. It's yours. It's not even a debate.
You sure say you want me?
It is yours. Yes, it's yours. Just keep it, please. Yeah. I asked her out on a date. Oh no, man. I wanted to use it as an opportunity to apologize.
Are you apologizing for me? I didn't ask.
I'm not apologizing for you. I'm apologizing for me. I wronged her. I judged her wrongly. I wasn't supposed to do that. So I feel I should make amends. You can come with me if you want to.
You call it a date. I shouldn't be there.
Lance, you like this girl. You try to hide it, but your actions, they prove otherwise. If you didn't care about this girl, you wouldn't be so angry.
Not more than you do. Excuse me.
Oh my goodness. Onome, I never knew you were this funny. Like you have a great sense of humor.
Thank you. Well, a good say you dey laugh. Because you know say if person dey squeeze in face too much, lie go dey come for your face. So e good. At least you dey smile today.
Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. You're something else.
Eh, you tell me say you go tell me wetin happen. You go explain to me.
Ah, you're never gonna let that go, are you?
No,
Oh my day.
I no dey quick forget. Besides, na because of that explanation make me follow you go dinner.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Where do I start from? Samira. Samira. Oh my goodness. She is just a girl we used to get around, I met her in a club, one of the clubs I used to go for party and all of that. So I took her home and yeah, we did stuff. We had fun. But then after that, she became so clingy. She became like she was all over me, all into me, to the point that she started coming to my house unannounced, even visiting my restaurants without letting me know. She was just too around me. It became so uncomfortable.
That one na obsession.
Yeah, serious obsession, not even a joke. So that day you saw us, we were having an altercation in the car. Yeah, so she asked me to pull over in the middle of nowhere. I told her I wasn't going to pull over. We were going back and forth till she was going crazy, and I eventually pulled over. She came down. She was being all dramatic. She brought out, I don't know what she wanted to bring out from my bag, but she said she was going to kill herself. So I didn't want to be that guy that would, you know, have a murder case on his hands. I tried to stop her from killing herself. In the middle of the whole trying to stop her, that was where you came in and the whole accident happened. And I was trying to stop her from killing herself, basically.
She won't kill herself
yeah,
because of man.
yeah. She said that she was just saying I didn't like. She loves me. I don't love her. You know, just going back.
But una sef, why una dey play with people hearts?
Listen, I'm not a saint, okay? But one thing about me is that the girls I do stuff with, they know what's up. They know that nothing is happening between us, nothing serious. It's just fun. I never promise any girl relationship. I never proclaim love to any lady that I've done stuff with. So that's just it.
But you know say no be how woman dey think, na so man go dey think. You get? So most women now, when you stay with them, they go just assume say relationship don start. Na follow dey cause all these things wey dey happen.
Well, you have a point. You have a point. That's why I have decided to stop that lifestyle. I have decided to stop messing around with girls' heart. And I just want to be a good guy now. You know? I'm so sorry I didn't warn you about Larry. I wanted to tell you about, the situation.
No, it's okay. It's okay. At least you tried your best. Na im dey important pass.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now you've gotten the information. Are you satisfied?
100%.
Are you sure?
100%.
Was the story interesting for you?
They need to write them down.
Oh, please, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, no, man. You should be a comedian because you're funny. No, for real. You're really, really funny. I enjoyed my time with you today.
You came and changed everything. My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love.
Must have been a good evening for you.
Yeah, it was. We dined and talked. That was all, basically. I felt good.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, Lance. Don't you think it's high time we stopped this lifestyle of ours? This partying and clubbing all the time, sleeping with several girls, breaking their hearts. Don't you think it's high time we just put a stop on it? Yeah? Honestly, the incident with Samira, it was kind of like an eye-opener to me. And I don't want to do such with any other girl ever again. I'm just tired of this lifestyle. These girls, they don't deserve to have their heart broken and toyed with. Basically, this is me saying, I am done. I am done breaking hearts of girls. I am done living life like we have duplicates. I am done. Done, done, done. And I hope to God that you realize this too. I'll be in my room.
You came and changed everything. My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. I thought I was a strong man. I thought I was a strong man. Never knew what love is. But I realized I'm not strong as I thought. when you came and changed everything. My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. Thought I was strong man. Thought I was a strong man. Oh, never knew
Essay,
what
Essay, please listen to me, please, Essay. Essay, please now, please.
No, they touch me now.
Please,
They,
listen.
see, I know
Please
they like.
now, just relax.
Wetin they do you? Now wetin they walk you?
Please, I'm begging
Why
you,
they
please.
disturb me? They follow me up and down. Wetin they bring this one now?
I just want to make things right with Onome, please. I'm sorry.
No. I resemble Onome for your eyes. No, look me where I resemble Onome.
You are our best friend now.
Hey, so because say I be her best friend. Now why you they disturb me? They follow me up and down. Like say I carry your money, I be waiting. Waiting be all this embarrassment now. Eh? No, when you dey busy, they do wetin you do. You know. Now you can't dey beg. Why you dey beg?
I just want to make things right. I want to apologize to her properly.
So finally, play, boy where they play girl anyhow, they play the match. Now you won't come become better person. No, you don't tire to dey play girls. Now question I dey ask, make I know. You don't tire?
See, please. I just want you to help me meet Onome. Let me apologize to her, please.
You see wetin dey hungry you? No, you see wetin dey hungry you. You do bad. You still want make I carry you as president. I've been waiting. Make you go meet Onome as you be who? No, wetin you? I don't know why you dey like feel yourself. No, dey feel yourself, oh. Nobody dey see you. I know they see you. I know they see. As they see me like this, I know they see you.
I can't reach her. Buffet told me her phone was stolen.
She don't do welcome back. She don't do one. How you go take no when you no care? Person when you no care about. Girl wey just dey give you love, open herself. Person wey no dey even dey look man. She bring herself down. You just tear her heart like say tomorrow no day. I don't know why you dey behave like this, oh.
It's okay.
Now you dey beg.
It's all right. I say I'll call her on the phone, okay?
Better for you. Call her on the phone, but please don't disturb me. Make I just now because say you don't dey beg too much. Make I just tell you something. If you like, if I tell you finish, you no do am. Other beans. You know say you won't get attention.
Okay.
She know they play with her business. Okay. If you order beans and plantain now, she go carry and come. She no go no say na you. You go just catch her.
Okay. I'll do just that.
No do am.
Thank you.
I dey beg you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I thought I was a strong man. Never knew what love is. But I realized I'm not strong as I thought. When you came and changed everything.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I carry your order come.
I didn't know you would come.
Now money matter now. I know they reject money.
Do you mind?
I beg, give me the money make I do.
It's okay, but do you mind coming in? Come in.
I don't want come inside. Pay me make I dey go, sir. You don't get who dey my show.
But your friend is there. Ese.
How you take no say my friend dey my show? Una talk this matter, they make me come.
No, she has nothing to do with this. Just that I always see her at the shop whenever you're not around. Please, just come in. No troubles. Please.
My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. Thought I was strong man. Thought I was a strong
Please.
man.
Sit.
No, never knew what love is.
What will I offer you?
No get.
What about what?
I'll go beg. Talk with him, carry me come here, beg.
Onome, you have every right to be upset. I am so sorry for everything I said to you. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Say something.
Okay.
Is that all?
What do you want make I talk? You want make I tell you say I did sad? Or say I did disappointed? Or you want make I tell you say wetin you do me, say e pay me well, say I won't cry? Wetin you want make I talk? Ogalare, I don't come to terms with the fact that I no be the kind girl wey you go like. I be the type wey you want chop and go. No worry, I no blame you. Na myself I blame. Na my fault, na me cause am.
It was never your
No,
fault.
no. Na my fault, na me cause am. Na me dey come inside your house. You said where I go deliver food, dey go my shop, I go follow you enter house. So no worry, na me cause am. Na my fault.
Onome, no one is disputing the fact that I wronged you. I accept the blame, okay? Please, I said I am so sorry.
I don't hear you. Thank you. Now, bros, you dey here?
Onome, what are you doing here?
I come deliver food. I don't dey go.
It's not what you think.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. What's up?
Yeah, can we talk?
Sure.
Cool. I just want to say I'm sorry.
What for?
For everything. The whole Onome issue. Mofe, you are my brother. I should have known you wouldn't hurt me in any way. And I also want to thank you for stopping me. Else, I would have mesmerized another girl's heart. Thank you.
You know, someone will hear you now and think that I am sent.
Yeah. We're good.
We're good, bro. Super good.
So, when are you asking her out?
Is it? Asking who out?
Come on, bro. It is written all over your face that you like Onome. I suggest you do the needful before another guy comes into the picture. We have a wedding to plan.
Nigga, please. Listen, we'll see how it goes. Huh? We'll see how it goes.
Okay. It's all good.
It's all good, bro.
Much love.
G, I got you.
Same here. I'll be downstairs. All right?
Never knew what love is, but I realized I'm not strong as I thought. When you came and changed everything. My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. I thought I was strong man. Thought I was a strong man. Oh, never knew what love is. But I realized.
You know you're a breath of fresh air, right? And gosh, you're so beautiful, Onome.
I love to have you like this all the time in my kitchen. So tell me, what do I have to do to have you around like this all the time? You're not taking me serious, right? Why? Why don't you ever take me serious?
You say you won't make I tell you now.
I want you to tell me what you want me to do to have you like this all the time in my kitchen.
Nothing, no, you and my bros now. I don't know anything I won't tell you.
Ah, goodness. Here we go again with the bros thing, Anime. I don't want to be your bros.
If you no want be my bros, who you won't come be again? What you want?
You.
Never knew what love is, but I realized I'm not strong as I thought. When you
I want you,
came,
Anime.
you came and changed everything. My life
Bros, you don't see me.
turned around.
As in, you don't look me well.
Yeah, maybe you had to look like this. I've been at it too for us.
You sabi speak pidgin.
Yeah?
I don't be the kind girl where you go like.
Hey. I don't care. Okay? I don't care about what you wear or how you look. You look beautiful to me. Doesn't matter what you wear. You'd always be beautiful. I like you, Anime. I really, really like you. And I have never felt this way before towards any other woman. The way I feel for you is different. It's the first time for me. And I would like to explore this feeling with you till the very end of it. Hey, I want you to be my woman. Is that a yes? That's a yes. Look at me. Say it. Say yes.
Yes.
Say it well.
Yes.
Look at your face. Why are you shy? You're so shy. Yeah?
Finally, it don't happen. Water don't pass Gary.
Wow. Big congratulations to you, my boy.
Congrats.
You've really done well.
Thank you, brother.
Congrats.
We don't date too.
You know the date. That's what I like now. It dey sweet me. I mean, take a mijo, see pepper for your hand.
What? Did you just chew fresh pepper?
You're crazy, you know that, right?
This calls for celebration. It's time to pop champagne. Huh? Stop chewing pepper, okay? What you need is chicken. Pepperish chicken.
My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. I thought I was a strong man. I thought I was a strong man. Never knew what love is. But I realized I'm not strong as I thought. When you came and changed everything. My life turned around just when you came. Never knew what love is. I thought I was strong man, thought I was a strong man. Oh, never knew what love is. But I realized I'm not strong as I thought when you came.